I'm Mari from Mari G. I am a builder here in Brisbane. Design, detail, craftsmanship and tailored customised work is where my heart is, so anything to do with houses and homes. This house I absolutely love and absolutely has my heart. I want this house to continue to provide for its owners, and that's sort of the philosophy I've had in this house. So lifestyle and quality high-end finishes were definitely my mantra. I like to hear what the house wants, and I felt like this house wanted a new life. She just wanted to shine, wanted some new skin, so I really raised it, did the classic white and gave her a facade that stands out. And also another really special part for me was the little hints of VJ. So I made sure I sprinkled VJ features throughout the home. So that's where I paid homage to the old home. And I actually really love that because it reminds you of where the home was. And so I've got that through a few feature walls and in through the bathrooms as well. And that whole front balcony is just such a beautiful north-facing balcony with a great view. So I love that part of the home. I see Mari G as being a well-reputable home builder. I really want Mari G to go to the next level. So I want to see more houses, help more families get more out of their homes. So for me, it's one about the house, it's about the details, it's about the building. It's also about how we live. So I really want Mari G to be growing and touching a lot more houses and homes and helping people live. So whether that's wide and far, close, a whole house reno or a little bit, that's where I see Mari G going.